In 2009, I was riding my bike to work and I was hit by a car. That made me afraid of riding a regular bike, so I bought a velomobile, a bike with a body. As a professional product developer, each trip in that velomobile was an inspiration on how to make an even better product. And that was the start of PODBIKE.
Now our four-wheeled e-bike offers you freedom and comfort every day, in any weather, with room for cargo or your child. 50% of car journeys are shorter than 5 kilometers, and most of these can easily be replaced by cycling. Urbanization combined with a car-centric mobility increases pollution, noise, congestion, and driving a car doesn't provide you daily exercise. Using a 2-ton car to move around is simply not sustainable. In short, we have developed an attractive, practical, safe and sustainable solution for your daily commute. At less than 100 kilos, our car-like e-bike has a much smaller environmental footprint than a car during production and less than 1/10 of the energy consumption in use. Our digital platform is set to be expanded with additional features and functionality to simplify your daily life. It's a fun shortcut that enables you to save time and money, stay fit, and help the environment. We make your commute miles better. Our organisation was founded in 2016, and since 2019, we have built the team and completed development. Today, our test bikes have been on the road for almost 2 years, with one of the bikes logging more than 10,000 kilometres. We've teamed up with a renowned car designer to get the exact unique look and feel we were aiming for. And it worked. We now have more than 3,500 pre-orders and an engaged community of over 32,000 advocates. With an established supplier network and assembly partner in place, we are ready to deliver our first bikes in 2022. In order to make this happen, we are implementing a network of local ambassadors and a network of strategic sales and service partners. We have a management team with a proven international track record and complementary skills within business, product development, operations and finance. And we have an experienced and professional board. Our 14-member strong team is dedicated to redefine urban mobility. Funds in this round will be used for growth and market expansion, to scale operations, and to expand our product portfolio and digital ecosystem. At PODBIKE, our mission is to redefine urban mobility by creating an attractive alternative for your daily commute. The green transition won't just be a common obligation, it will be a personal desire. Join our quest. Become a PODBIKE shareholder today.